Last slaughter session of the year. Last birds coming through. Yeah, and then we can analyse the different feed trials we've been doing, as well as the pen design. Looking at the price, this is a Swedish company that doesn't...
It's not Swedish.
Oh, it's not Swedish. It's just non-pasteurized. This is
Danish, I think.
Danish company, and this is certified organic kimchi. It's €5. Crazy, no? And pickled cucumbers. These are things we put in our boxes, but...
No, maybe Swedish.
Yeah, it's Swedish. These are €4, just for 4 small cucumbers. Just goes to show. Nang, that's Ragnar.
The second easiest thing is to deliver them all in one.
Yeah. You like custard? Last birds. These are the last 2 chickens go for the slaughter all year. And we thought we'd do something silly. Don't try this at home. Very sharp knives. Not a good idea. These are birds that aren't for sale, they're for us to eat. So we're doing blindfolded evisceration to see how good our muscle memory is before we shut down the slaughter for next year. And we're going to get graded on presentation of final bird, safety by not cutting ourselves, and getting the offal in the bin. Now, we've been saving hearts and livers, but we're not doing it for these birds because it's a bit tricky without any sight. So we're going to blindfold ourselves and eviscerate some chicken. You up for it?
Blindfolded evisceration.
Alright. Let's go! Yeah. I'm off. This is the most dangerous bit.
Yeah, the little...
Hard to know if you've got the right bit. How's it going, Benny boy?
I'm on the crop.
Can you see?
No, I can't see anything.
It's because you've got blindfold on.
I'm completely and utterly blind. I'm in the dark. Oh, I'll grab the blade. That's all good.
Now, we have done this a lot of times, so we're aware of the risks involved. But don't try it, kids.
Not such a big deal if we cut ourselves nowadays.
Now, Benny, I'm just going to see if I can. Nicholas, can you tell me if I successfully... I'm saying that's the heart,
yeah,
which I can put up there, and I'm going to try and separate the liver without breaking anything. Is that a liver?
Right,
are you sure?
The heart. Yeah.
That's a liver?
Yeah.
And I'm feeling the gallbladder, and I think I've separated it, and that should just be liver.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right,
but I lost my knife.
I don't know where the sucker turns are. Where do I put
to
the
your left,
sucker
to your left, Ben. Left, further up.
To my left?
Yeah, further left, further up.
Left,
yeah, but I don't want to get in Richard though. Right, okay.
Working next to a left-hand knee is not so good. Then his lungs. I'm checking the windpipes out. Got my windpipe
I'm going to
there.
give a little spray for you guys.
Got me
and we're done.
secretary.
Check it out for me, please.
Done. Don't spray it down.
I don't know which one was it.
that one.
That one, was it? Oh, there's a bit of lung.
How'd it go?
I left a bit of lung. That was silly.
Alright, who's inspecting?
I'll have a look.
No cuts though, no
Pretty
cuts.
good. Got the butthole.
No test. Oh,
there's a little testicle.
testicle.
Ooh, and I separated my liver and heart.
Did you?
Yeah, apparently. Did I? Yeah?
Nice.
Very nice. That's fine.
Not bad. What was the time on that one?
A little bit low.
3 minutes and 30.
3 minutes 30.
Whilst this is a bit responsible for the last situation with your eyes closed, just goes to show it's a muscle memory thing. That's how you get faster doing this. You perfect the minimum movements necessary, and then you do the same thing every time. Like any farm job, really. But these came out really good. That's a perfectly saleable bird. Real British pasta.